This is set up for the task. As we can see, there is Arduino Uno, which is both SPI and I2C master, a BMP280 sensor, an SD card module, which is SPI slave, RTC module, and 128 by 64 OLED display are I2C slaves. Let us see this setup in action. As we can see, the date and time is read from RTC. The temperature, pressure, and altitude data is read from BMP280 sensor. After reading this data, it makes new entry in a CSV file in memory card and then it displays it on OLED display. This is the snapshot of last few data entries logged in CSV file.